In these times, of course, where you can't have in-person events and you have more online events, it totally made sense to gather people around the world. And that's something that's also really cool.
Hi, my name is Carina Claesson and I'm from Sweden.
My name is Magnus Keller Sørensen. For your English speakers, it's just Magnus.
My name is Daniel Laskowitz. I'm from the Netherlands.
Hi there, my name is Ed Gonzalez.
Power Platform Weekly is a weekly newsletter delivered to your inbox every Monday morning. We are 4 people from different countries collaborating around this newsletter. There's so much amazing content created each week, like new tools, articles, podcasts, videos, etc.
Power Platform Weekly for me is a chance to get people excited about the platform and share what's happened over the last 7 days.
The 4 of us started to collaborate on the newsletter. We had one simple meeting actually, and then we started working on it, and it actually went from there. Now we are already 50 newsletters further ahead, so we're almost at a year now.
I love that I'm always up to date on news. It's super cool that a colleague can mention some new feature and I already know how it works because I read every community post from the past week.
For me, it's both a way to make it easier for other people to keep up with what's new around Microsoft Business Applications and the Power Platform. And it's also the featuring part about featuring other people's content.
I always encourage people, no matter where they're at in their journey, to share their story, because somewhere out there, somebody needs to hear it in that specific way, and somebody else is going to be inspired by that.
I have an event section that I need to fill. And sometimes I see events at the other side of the world where I would normally never go to, but now I get to experience that as well, and that's really cool.
We would like to make a call out to people who might be new to blogging or new to creating videos or podcasts, etc., or perhaps have a new tool. We would like to add your content to the newsletter, so please do reach out.
One of my favorite aspects of the newsletter is giving voice to those that might not typically have it. So lifting up those voices is very important and very rewarding to me. I like seeing the result of that, and I like seeing how people react.
The reason I go to conferences and the reason I go to events is not so much the actual content, it's the discussions with the creators afterwards. If I just want to watch the content, I can read a blog or watch a video. When I go to a conference, I want to engage and speak with people. That is the prime thing I'm missing from these 2 years of virtual conferencing.
You can reach out to us on Twitter or on LinkedIn, EP_weekly, and LinkedIn, you can just search for Power Platform Weekly.
If you want to subscribe to our newsletter, you can go to the URL below and then enter your email address, click subscribe, and you'll get our newsletter every week through email.